the beautiful nature. As you can see from your pictures, from the video, the beautiful nature, the beautiful world. You can see lions. They enjoy their lives with the birds. You can see from the video. The nature is so good, so fresh, so beautiful. You can always enjoy to be there. It's so good, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You can see the lions enjoying themselves. It's so beautiful. We need to take care of the environment. Please subscribe to this channel and like, comment, share to your friends so that we can be able to bring you more and give you more. Beautiful, beautiful nature it is. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and more is coming. Thank you. We are humbled for your support. Thank you.